Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the quad lock accessories I got right here for my motorcycle. So let's get started with the fork stem mount. This is pull tab to open. There's some stuff inside here, some stickers. Chase the horizon, eat, sleep right, outside is free. So we have quad lock right here. Okay. All the things we need to put it on the motorcycle. So next thing I'm gonna open is the case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Same thing, pull this here. First impressions, very nice. Good quality, sturdy, warranty information. Very cool design. Okay, put this aside. So I also have this poncho for when it rains or if there's some dirt and stuff to protect my phone. Warranty information. So later on we're gonna assemble everything on my motorcycle. Also this on my phone, and I will show you how everything looks. So next thing is this vibration damper, so your phone doesn't vibrate as much when you ride. Same thing, I forgot, pull tab. So this is how this looks. Put this aside. And the last thing is I want to change this blue one to this black one. I think I will change it, I'm still not sure. So this is how this looks for right here. Okay guys, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble it on the bike. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna remove this blue one for the black one here, so it matches my bike, this lever. So what you want to do is grab this, unscrew this, this comes out like this. Open this, this should come out, this comes out, twist this, comes out, put the black one or which color you get. There we go, put this back, just slide it in, just like that, close it. This is all done. Now put this back again, just like this. So what you want to do next is leave this here, grab the dampener if you have one, and this part here, put this on top, just like that, tighten it. There you go. Put this on top. Position it how you want it to position it. Okay, now the next thing, unscrew this bolt here. Remove this. So once you have this, open this here. Now slide this inside and tighten it. Okay, put this back on. Grab the other part. Slide it in like this. Put the bolt back on. Tighten it. And there you go. You can move this how you want. Just unscrew this a little bit and position it how you like. Push this, the phone clips on. So next thing I'm gonna show you is how the phone looks on the mount. Guys, this is how the phone looks on. Looks very nice, clean design. Just push, twist, comes out. Push, turn, stays on just like that. So now I'm gonna show you how to put this waterproof pouch on. I forgot to show you. Just put it just like this. Here. Twist this. Now it's even more waterproof and dust resistant, mud and stuff. So when it rains, you can just put this on and no worries. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.